Gold investments demystified. How much need do you designate to this precious metal? Gold has constantly been regarded as a safe haven resource, a shop of worth that can easily safeguard clients in the course of times of financial unpredictability. Its distinct homes make it a well-known selection for those appearing to branch out their assets portfolios and dodge versus rising cost of living. But how much need do you designate to this precious steel? Figuring out the suitable appropriation to gold depends on numerous factors, consisting of your danger resistance, expenditure goals, and time horizon. In this post, we will certainly look into these variables in detail, assisting you make an informed choice regarding how much gold you ought to include in your expenditure collection. Risk endurance. One critical consideration when determining how much gold to allot is your threat endurance. Risk resistance refers to the volume of dryness or ups and downs you are eager to put up with in your financial investments. If you possess a low-risk endurance and like secure returns over the long term, a much higher appropriation to gold may be suited. Gold has historically exhibited lesser volatility compared to various other possession classes such as supplies or cryptocurrencies. During the course of periods of financial slumps or geopolitical uncertainties, gold often tends to do effectively as real estate investors flock in the direction of safe haven assets. By assigning a higher amount of your profile to gold, you may possibly lessen the general volatility and danger visibility. Expenditure objectives. Your investment goals play a substantial task in calculating how a lot gold you need to assign. Various clients have various goals. Some look for resources admiration while others prioritize riches preservation. If your key objective is funds gratitude with a long-term expenditure horizon, you may look at assigning a much smaller portion of your collection to gold. This permits for greater visibility to other growth-oriented assets such as sales or actual real estate which have in the past outmatched gold over the lengthy run. On the other palm, if wide-range conservation is your primary objective, designating a bigger section of your collection in the direction of gold may be advisable. Gold has provided as a reliable establishment of market value for centuries, protecting purchasing electrical power throughout opportunities of inflation or currency decline. By assigning a much higher amount to gold, you can easily potentially secure your riches and minimize the results of economic anxieties. Time horizon. Your opportunity horizon is another important variable to take into consideration when figuring out how much gold to allot. The size of time you consider to keep your investments can easily impact the optimum allocation technique.